I'm Mark Everest, and I'm the president and CEO and the head coach of a company called Occupational Athletics, based here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And what we do, we train and treat workers just like professional athletes. And the reason we do this, athletes get the best care in the world. I worked in professional and amateur athletics. And as a sports medicine guy working in the industry all these years, I worked in hospitals, nursing homes. I've written 7 books on aging. And the bottom line is, as leaders, the most valuable asset in your organization are your people. So I want to introduce to you today a new way of thinking and a brand we developed several years ago. It's called human maintenance. Don't wait until you break. And if you think about the most valuable asset in your business, because it is your people, are we doing maintenance for them? Now, a lot of companies, we promote wellness. I'm a big fan of wellness. I practice wellness. I started wellness back in the 80s for hospitals and organizations over the years. And what I discovered with wellness, it's a great idea, but it works for well people. You must practice it. You have to do it. The idea of maintenance is a little different because we all maintenance something in our lives. So in our business, we maintain our equipment, our grounds, our vehicles, whatever we have as far as assets that we purchase. And in our personal lives, we do maintenance on our homes, our automobiles, and anything that we purchase on our personal side of our life. And so we use that same analogy. And what we found over the years is people are now buying into human maintenance more than they were with wellness, especially the people that weren't practicing wellness. They are crossing over into the maintenance because it makes sense. Because when you think about it, the human machine is the most complex machine on the planet. It's the most difficult machine to diagnose, the hardest machine in the world to get back on the road with age. And so let's think out of the box. As leaders in the organizations that you represent, your people, because they are so valuable. And we're going to bring some more content in the future here, partnered up with John Dame, and just share these nuggets of content. We call these tune-up talks, helping people to stay tuned up with human maintenance. So every day is a game day in life. Treat yourself like an athlete. Going into 21, we have a new opportunity. The New Year's resolutions are good ideas, but many of them don't stick. But when you do maintenance on your business and the assets you purchase, this is the most valuable asset, is yourself. Maintain you have a better life, you'll be a better leader. I'm Mark Everest, and we're looking forward to sharing more content with you in the future. You have a safe, healthy, and a real positive 2021.